This is a class called enemy, it's the parent class. This is a class called archer, it's the child class. In the enemy class, there's a method called wait, which can be overridden by the child classes, and its entire purpose is to determine whether the update method will return from this point or not. If the child class is archer, it should always return false. If not, it will do some stuff. But for this, the child class is archer and it is always returning true. At this point, I go into my L mode. And after tweaking around for a while, I decided to comment everything and just put return false. But it is still returning true every time. I kid you not, I go to Google and search C# method with return false is returning true, and obviously didn't find any answer. So I come back and look at the archer class, and what I found here is inside the overridden wait function there's a return true for some reason, and this was why it was returning true every time. Keep in mind that 35 minutes have passed now since the beginning. Afterwards I realized that I don't need to pass parameters and even call the base function, because for my purpose I can just put return false and it fulfills my need. Well, hold up, let's go back. I'm sure some version of this whole situation has happened to you. This is why I hate programming. That your program will do exactly what you tell it to do, what you code it to do, but it won't do what you want it to do. The concept that unlike humans, it doesn't understand what's going on. It doesn't know what we're trying to achieve here. Why don't you feel me, bro? Why don't you improvise yourself? Why don't you feel me, my dude? Weren't these things going to take hours, and as of now, it can't even solve a small error on its own? Anyway, I'm done for today. I'll probably go watch some hentai and go to bed.
I'm sorry,
Vinayak.
I'm afraid I can't do that. This mission is too important for me to allow you to jeopardize it.